Welcome back, Product Critique viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphone accessories, specifically the best clear case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'm excited to introduce you to the SURITCH clear case with hinge protection. This isn't just any ordinary phone case, folks. Let me tell you why the SURITCH clear case stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about protection. This case is like a suit of armor for your precious Z Fold 4. It's designed to shield your phone from scratches, bumps, drops, and whatever else life throws your way. But what really sets this case apart is its innovative hinge protection. You see, the hinge is a crucial part of the Z Fold experience, and SURITCH understands that. Their hinge protection cover ensures that your phone's hinge stays safe and secure without interfering with its functionality. Plus, it won't turn yellow over time, thanks to its premium PC materials. Now, let's talk about convenience. The SURITCH clear case comes with a built-in screen protector, so you can say goodbye to annoying scratches and cracks on your phone's display. And guess what? It doesn't compromise on touch sensitivity, so you can keep using your phone as usual. Oh, and did I mention it supports wireless charging? That's right. You can juice up your Z Fold 4 without ever taking the case off. Talk about convenience. So, if you want the best protection for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, look no further than the SURITCH clear case. With its hinge protection, built-in screen protector, and sleek design, it's a clear winner in my book. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.